Okay, let's walk up to the upper pond if I have enough footage on here. Not sure if I do. Go downhill. Live up in the woods, the base of a mountain. There's a stream in there. Of course, frozen right now. Not sure I have enough footage to get up there. Ooh, it's deep. We got about 11 inches now. It's snowing like 2 inches an hour. So pretty though. The woods are gorgeous. All right. Snow falling off the branches. Whew. There's a climb. Okay, this is the upper pond. Casey! Casey! Come on! Come! Off the pond! Come on! Good boy. Yep. Casey, come on. This is looking back down at the house. If you can see it, I don't know. Yep. Whew. Snow. Look at that, it's a blizzard. Oh dear. Sorry. Oh, it's so pretty. Very peaceful. If you gotta have snow, you might as well have a lot, right? That's where the pond opened up. Wouldn't dare go out on it now. And this heavy wet snow will just insulate it and make it thinner, slushier, and more likely to break through. Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. Okay. Woo. Okay, well, it's only like 9 in the morning. We've already gotten 10 to 11 inches of snow now, and it's supposed to snow all day into tomorrow. So, I think it's a stay-at-home day. I do. It's really not cold, so that cold, it's really pretty warm. So it's a heavy, heavy wet snow. birds. Okay. Over and out.